Hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat that also looks like a speedboat. This model isn't my creation, but I developed a new folding method that makes the finish look much nicer. This way the paper doesn't wrinkle like usually does with other versions, and besides looking nice, this boat actually works very well in the water. All we need is a full sheet of paper. For the first step, we need to fold the paper in half. Then unfold it and fold the bottom and top sides to the middle. Once that's ready, we rotate the paper into this position and fold the two top corners. Just bring half of the top to the middle and then do the same on the left. Once that's done, we need to fold the two sections to the middle again. When this is done, rotate the paper into this position and fold these two diagonal lines. To do that, just bring the right side down and crease only from the center up. And we have our first diagonal. To make the other one, just bring the paper up and crease from the center down. After finishing those two diagonals, we need to make another two here. So, just like we did before, let's bring the paper to the middle. Do the same on the bottom side. And then fold the corner to the end of these folds. Reinforce everything. Then unfold the corner and also unfold the previous two folds. Now let's fold the top side to the middle. And fold the bottom side to the middle as well. Unfold. And turn the paper over. To make one of the next steps easier, we're going to redo the previous two steps. So just bring the bottom side to the middle. Undo. And repeat on the top side. Now, using the lines we made as a guide, we need to fold a new vertical line here, exactly where these lines cross. Unfold, and once that's done, go back to the other side and completely unfold the paper. Now, rotate it into this position and flip it over. Pay close attention now. Starting on the left side, we need to bring this line to the center. As you can see, the top part is almost closed along this small diagonal here. We're going to hold this diagonal closed and then fold the left side over this part. The way the paper closes like this, and we have a triangle on top. Let's fold this triangle inside the left side using the existing creases. And this is the result. We're going to repeat the same process on the other side. So first we're going to bring this crease to the middle, then close the top part along the small diagonal, and then fold the right side over this part. Using the existing creases, fold the triangle inside. Perfect. Now let's rotate the paper, and on this side, open the first two layers. In the following layers, we have two small diagonals. Using them, we are going to open each side by folding the paper like this. Close the paper at the sides, folding it back, and after that, fold what's left behind. Using the existing creases, fold this corner here, then the corner on the other side as well. Now we just need to shape the top, creating a rectangular finish. We already have our paper boat. You can try in the water if you want, but we can still improve the result. We can unfold this corner here. Fold one layer over the other. And fold it back to the previous position. On the other side, do the same. First unfold, then fold one layer over the other, and fold it back to the center. And as an optional step, we can also reverse these other two corners here. So just open, push the paper inside, and close again. Do the same on the other side. And now we have our paper boat. You can still adjust the details a bit if you want, but that's the idea. I hope you were able to make it. If so, don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next time.